Hi, it's PS Taro. Hello, Capricorn placement. So yeah, this is your short love reading for the month of May. Okay? So syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, please do follow me on TikTok and on our FB page. Okay? Kung meron pong tanong regarding sa personal reading, message nyo lang po ako doon. Okay? For more details. Yan. Okay. So, Capricorn placements. So, who is the person on your mind? Okay. Kanino kaya na energy ang makukuha ko? Ang makukuha natin ngayon? Okay. So, yeah. The person on Capricorn's mind. Paano mo malalaman na siya to, Capricorn? Okay. Okay. So, the Two of Wands. Okay. The Two of Wands, mayroong pagtalikod. Okay. May pagtalikod. Pwedeng fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. The Two of Wands. Universe. Yeah. Pwedeng iniwan ka niya. Okay. Fire with air. Pwedeng may distansya. Okay. May distansya. Okay. Sabihin natin munang may distansya. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Situation, please. Situation ninyong Capricorn. Ng person na nasa isip mo. Okay. The Chariot. So, Cancerian energy. Situation, the Chariot. Okay. And the Eight of Swords in reverse. Okay. So, I think yung sitwasyon ninyo ngayon is parang parang sa ikabubuti. The Eight of Swords universe tells me na ito yung may ginawang action, okay? May ginawang action para magkaroon, sabihin natin, ng makaalpas sa isang sitwasyon na hindi okay. The Nine of Cups in reverse. Some of you may codependency. Okay? May codependency. Pwedeng minsan naiisip mo tong taong to, kinakailangan mo pa rin, parang ganyan. Pero may pag-alis. Okay? Some of you may kailangan gawing action pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo ngayon. Excuse me. Okay? Merong kailangan gawing action. Kunan pa natin ang isa. Ano bang meron sa sitwasyon ninyo ngayon? Okay? The Nine of Coins. Oh. The Three of Swords. Okay. So, situation, I think, parang tinuturuan mo itong taong to. Okay? Na maging, sabihin natin, magkaroon ng hindi dumepende. Okay? Parang tinuruan mo tong taong to na maging, sabihin natin, maging matapang sa sitwasyon. No? Yung iba rito talagang naging, sabihin natin, naging single na from this person. Okay? Kasi you're like, hindi ko pwedeng sayangin yung oras ko. Parang ganun. May naririnig akong ganyan. Okay? Situation, isa ko pang nakukuha is like, ang hirap i-control ng taong to. Mahirap siyang i-control. Okay? Isa sa inyo ang kumokontrol, pero ang hirap. Okay? Nahihirapan kontrolin yung isa kasi may sabihin nating emotionally, or sabihin nating independent siya. Okay? Pagdating sa pangangailangan, okay, non-committal. Okay, non-committal. Pwede yung issue dito is yung freedom, okay, ng isa't isa. Or freedom. Okay? Ito yung isang issue. May naghintay dito. Okay? May naghintay. Pero itong taong to naghintay sa'yo. Pero I don't know. Parang umalis. Okay? Ito. The Two of Wands in reverse and the Six of Swords. Pwedeng tanalikuran na. Okay? Pwedeng I don't know. Parang hindi na nakapaghintay whatsoever. Okay? The Five of Coins is here. Maybe there's separation here. Okay? Pero wala lang magawa. Okay? Ramdam na ramdam yung disconnect. Okay? Ano ba emosyon niya? Emosyon, please. Nitong taong to sa'yo. The World. Okay? The Page of Swords. So, pwedeng ini-stock ka nito kung may nag-end. Okay? What's with the world? The Devil. They're like, okay, I'm done. Parang ganon. Okay, I'm done. But still obsessing over you. Okay? Yeah. Death. Okay? Still obsessing over you. Yeah. Kahit na sabihin natin may ending na nangyari. Okay? Inisip ka pa rin ito. Nakatali pa rin. So, ano emotion mo for them? The Sun in reverse. Okay, so you're like, sabihin nating hindi na sure. Why the Sun in reverse? Or talagang malabo na. The Six of Coins. Okay. So, maybe this person is like, pagdating sa'yo, hindi mo aaksayahin yung oras mo sa taong hindi ka rin naman pinag-aaksaya ng oras. Parang ganun. No? Parang ganun. Ito. Okay? Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. Hindi ako para mag-waste ng time. Parang ganun eh. Lalo na sa mga hindi ko na rin naman alam kung anong meron. Okay? Emosyon, some of them, pwedeng malungkot. Okay? Pwedeng malungkot. Pero ayaw lang nilang ipakita na nalulungkot sila. So, next action. Next action, itong taong to. The Three of Wands in reverse. Okay. Parang unti-unti nang naglo-lose hope. Okay. Or talagang tinatalikuran na lang din itong connection. Yeah. And avoid. There's like tension. May tension. Okay. That's why kailangan niyang i-avoid. The Three of Cups. Okay. So, there's blockage. Okay? May blockage. So, siguro, kaya like, parang yung energy ng taong to is nag-give up. Okay? Nag-give up kasi there's like blockage. Okay? Sa inyong situation. Situation ninyo kasi parang nakikita ko na merong kailangang gawing action. Meron isa dito parang ang kailangan is makaalis, makawala sa isang connection. To be specific. Okay? Kung gagawin kong specific yun. Or kung hindi man connection, I think situation. Okay? Na kailangang alisan para maging free. Okay? Inisip ka nito. Inisip ka niya. So, anong outcome? Okay, so next action niya is to avoid you or talikuran na lang itong situation kasi parang ang daming blockage. No? Ang dami. A lot of tension. So, tingnan natin anong outcome nyo. Miss Opportunity. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. Tingnan ninyo kung paano nyo habulin yun. 'Di ba? Gusto ko to eh. Gusto ko to. Kahabulin ko yan. Pero, wala. Queen of Coins. Okay? Queen of Coins is, okay. Sarili ko muna. Parang ganyan. Okay? Pwedeng sabihin nating hindi niya kayang maging responsible din. Why the Ace of Pentacles in reverse? So, for some of you, outcome is opportunity. Okay? Miss opportunity ang nangyari. Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. Okay. So, takot itong taong to. Hindi siya, takot siya na gumawa ng action. Okay? Takot siya na ipaglaban ka. Yeah, the Four of Swords. So, parang mananahimik na lang ito forever. The King of Swords in reverse, this is, malaking duwag. Okay? Malaking duwag. So, okay. Kahit gusto ko to, hayaan ko na lang kasi hindi ko kaya. Yeah. Ito pa. An offer na hindi na ibigay. Okay? So, yeah. Isa na lang tong magiging mapait na nakaraan. Okay? Ganun ang nakikita ko dito sa outcome ninyo. The King of Swords. Yeah, the Strength in reverse. See? Parang wala siyang like tiwala din sa sarili. Hindi niya kayang gawa ng paraan. Parang ganun. Nakikita ko. Okay? Mga dahilan niya. Yeah. So, well, wala tayong magagawa, no? Kung tayo yung hindi kayang i-pursue. So, kanina nakikita ko parang okay, hindi ko para pag-aaksayahan ng panahon yung mga taong hindi naman ako pinag-aaksayahan ng panahon. Ganun yung nakikita ko emosyon nyo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Advice, if ever. Advice for Capricorns, please. Advice. Okay? The Page of Wands. So, start new. Start fresh. Okay? Oops, may nalaglag. The Tower. Okay. And the Seven of Cups. Okay. So, dito, wag mo lang hayaan na parang maalis yung focus mo. Okay? Kasi some of you nakikita ko talaga na talagang inalis mo na lang din yung sarili mo sa connection sa sitwasyon ninyo, no? And you're like, nagsisimula ka na ulit. Okay? So, some of you, kung hindi pa, maybe ito yung gawin nyo. Okay? Magsimula ka ulit. Kahit hindi natin alam ang mangyayari. Okay? Basta focus sa kung anong gusto mangyari. The Seven of Cups in reverse. Okay? Kasi yung situation na rin naman na yan is it's like a burden na rin. Okay? It's like a burden. Yeah. Temperance, Hangman, para kang walang hinihintay. Okay? Para kang walang hinihintay. And nagpapagulo na lang din naman sa'yo yan. Actually. Okay? So, much better piliin na lang na mag-umpisa ulit. Okay? So, yeah. Yan nakikita ko for you. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Aries through Pisces. Okay? Aries through Pisces. Wait lang po. Wait lang. May naririnig ako. Hang on. Okay. So, sorry naman. Okay. So, Aries through Pisces for Capricorns, please. Okay. Oops. May nalaglag. Okay. Aries through Pisces. So, Aries. Okay. So, there's like a cycle. Okay, some of you, pwedeng may mangyaring, ang tawag doon, makeup sex. Okay, from this Aries. may mangyaring makeup sex with that artist. Next is Taurus. Okay, so si Taurus holding back. Okay, tension, may tension. So next is Gemini. Okay, so si Gemini, back and forth yung energy. 1 minute gusto niyang gumawa ng way, maya okay, ayoko pala, parang ganon. Okay, so next is Cancer. 10 of Wands and the 7 of Cups in reverse. So I think this Cancer is like yung situation ninyo is sobrang hirap. Okay, a lot of responsibilities, I guess. Parang nakikita ko sa kanya. Pero yes, gusto ka pa nito. The 7 of Cups in reverse. Parang nahihirapan din siyang like makakita if ever may separation here. Okay? Nahihirapan din siyang makakita ng tulad mo. I don't know why. Okay? So next is Leo. Okay, so si Leo, stalking. Stalking. A big stalker. Oo. Okay, so next, Virgo. Okay. So si Virgo, I think pagod na. Pagod ng mahalin ka. Oh. I don't know why. Libra. Okay, so si Libra focusing sa goals dahil ayaw niya muna ng distraction. Okay? Ayaw niya ng makakagulo sa kanyang mga ginagawa sa ngayon. Okay? So, next. And they are like si Libra. They are like focusing sa healing. Okay? So, next is Scorpio, 5 of Wands, and the Chariot. Okay. So, I think this Scorpio is like dinidistansya nila. Okay, yung sarili nila from you. Maybe, ang tingin niya sa'yo is like drama. Full of drama. Okay, parang ayaw nila yon. So, next is Sagittarius. Okay, so si Sagittarius, there's like indecisiveness. Okay, may pagdadalawang isip. I don't know. Okay, the Queen of Coins is here. So siguro kung merong pagkakalayo sa inyo, okay, kung may distansya sa inyong dalawa, namimiss niya. Parang namimiss niya yung pagiging, sabihin nating nurturing, okay, mo sa connection nyo noon. Parang ganyan. Next is Capricorn. Okay, so si Capricorn focusing sa kanyang career, sa kanyang kaperahan. Yan. And about sa situation, parang hindi na niya i-pursue pa kung ano mang meron. Okay? Next is Aquarius. So si Aqua, some of you pwedeng gusto ka nitong bigyan ng mixed signals. Okay? Pinapakita nitong like masaya siya, okay siya, pero actually there's like conflict. Okay? Mixed signals. Okay? Nalaglag siya. The 8 of Cups in reverse. So maybe gusto niyo like makipag-ayos or bumalik. Okay? Parang may manipulation here with this Aquarius. Okay? So next, Pisces. Okay, so si Pisces, no contact. Pero nandito si The Magician. So siguro, nagmamanifest ng communication with you. Okay, yeah. Pwedeng nagmamanifest siya ng pag-uusap, ng pag-reach out, parang ganyan. Okay, so there. Dito po natatapos ang ating reading for Capricorn placement. So thank you. Bye!